DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. Here it's me, your Shaakira Miss again. How are you, students? Hope you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing well. Before going to start today's teleclass lesson, let's recite Dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Welcome back, students. Today, Shakira Miss is going to take a very interesting lesson. So, the topic that I'm going to teach you is yes, today Shakira Miss is going to take a lesson for roles and responsibilities. So, now I'm going to share you today's learning intention and success criteria. But first, I will be sharing the learning intention. So, here is the learning intention. Today, you are going to learn about roles and responsibilities. Yes, you will be learning about roles and responsibilities. It's the time of sharing today's success criteria. Here is the success criteria. Today, you will be succeed if you recognize your roles and responsibilities at different places. Yes, you will be succeed in this lesson if you recognize your roles and responsibilities at different places. Here is the key competency which I have selected for today's teleclass lesson, which is managing self and others. So from today's teleclass lesson, you will be adapting and taking up different roles in different situations. So that is today's key competency, which is managing self and others. Now let's go for today's actual teleclass lesson, which is yes, roles and responsibilities. Hmm, do you know anything about roles and responsibilities? Oh, do you ever heard this word in any of your previous grades? I guess you don't know. So therefore, I'm going to explain you the definition of roles and responsibilities. So let's go. Students, what are roles? Yes, so a role is known to one's position on a team, and also it is a part or character of someone's performance or the function or position of a person. So, a role is known to one's position on a team, or we can say role is a part or character of someone's performance or the function or position of a person. So, here is an example of a role, such as a part or a character that an actor plays in a performance. Yes, that is one example of a role, a part or a character which an actor plays in a performance. Students, let's move on to responsibilities. So, what are responsibilities? Yes, responsibilities refer to the task and duties of the particular role or job description. So, a responsibility is known as the task and the duties of the particular role or job description. In the slide, you can see pictures, right? Those are some of the examples of responsibilities at your home, such as vacuuming, washing dishes, cleaning table, and putting your toys in bag. So these are some of the responsibilities. Students, now I'm going to show you some more examples of responsibilities at home. They are, yes, folding your clothes, sweeping, what else? Washing dishes, making your bed clean, vacuuming, putting your toys in the bag. So these are some of the other responsibilities that you do at home, right? Yes. So, as I mentioned, a responsibility is what you are required to do as an individual, such as folding clothes. However, a role is the part that someone has in a family, society, or any other group, such as a pilot. Students, can you see a picture of a kid? Yes. What is she wearing? She is wearing a uniform, right? Yes. So that means she is a student. Correct. So a student has many roles in school, at home, and also in the society. And with the roles comes different responsibilities. Yes, you will be having a different responsibility at home, at school, and also in society. So, as we are Muslims, we also have to perform our religious responsibilities. Yes, we should perform our religious responsibilities, such as, yes, you can see two kids are praying or making dua, right? And the boy is reciting a Quran. So these are some of the religious responsibilities that we have to do every day. Our religious responsibilities include, yes, praying on time, reciting Quran, and also respecting our elders. Yes, as our religious responsibilities, we should pray on time and also we should recite Quran and we must respect our elders. And we have responsibility towards ourselves, our families, also in our school and the society. Yes, we have responsibility towards ourselves, towards our families, towards our school, and towards our community or our society. So, at home, you have the responsibility to take care of your own self and also to contribute to the family welfare. Yes, so basically, in family responsibility, you should take care of your own self, which means take caring of your body, right? And also, you should contribute helping your family, such as picking up toys after use and also put them in a proper place. You can see a picture of a girl who is putting her toys in a proper place after using it, right? After using it. And on the second picture, you can see a girl is putting her books and magazines in a shelf or in a rack, right? So these also are some of the house responsibilities that you do. Here are some other responsibilities such as, yes, you can get everyone's drink for dinner, right? And also you can dust or sweep, and you can see a picture with a girl who is already folded her clothes and she is now putting it away into the laundry. So these are some of the responsibilities as a child you can do in home, such as dusting or sweeping, folding and putting away laundry clothes, and also you can get drink for dinner for your family members. However, at school you are a student, so as a student you have the responsibility to attend school regularly. Yes, you should come to school every day and also on time, and you should also obey or follow the assigned schedules. Students, you should also follow the rules, procedures, and process of the school or in the class. And don't forget to respect the authority of or staff members in the school. And also, you should respect the rights and properties of others. So, here are some other responsibilities as a student that you have to do or follow, such as respecting others' beliefs and differences. Yes, as you all know that we all have different opinions and preference. So therefore we should respect others' beliefs as well as their differences. Also, you should refrain from using words, images, or gestures which are disrespectful, right? So try to avoid such kind of words, images, or gestures. Moreover, as a student, your responsibility is to resolve disagreements peacefully. And also, you should refrain from bullying. Yes, avoid bullying or hurting any other students. And also, tell school staff members about any behavior that may cause danger to anyone. Right? So, these are some of the responsibility you as a student in a school. So now I'm going to talk about your social responsibility or community responsibility. So first I will be explaining about the definition of a society. So a society is a large number of people who live together in an organized way. Yes, it is a large group of people who live together, such as, for example, our island is Dhuvaafaru, right? So we are living in a very large group of people, right? So therefore, it is a community, right? We are in a society. So a social responsibility is a duty that every individual has to perform to maintain peace, harmony within the society. Right? Yes. So basically, a responsibility or a social responsibility is a duty that every individual has to perform to maintain peace and harmony with the society. So everybody living in a society plays a role, right? Such as including doctors, yes, you can see a doctor, teachers, workers, and civil servants such as police, right? So these are some of the important community people which plays a major role in our society. Similarly, every student should be a responsible citizen and fulfill his or her own social responsibilities. Yes, you as a citizen, you should be a responsible person and should be friendly with others who are living in your society and should be together. So now I'm going to talk about some of the people's role in our society. Yes, you can see a doctor, a teacher, and a police. So these are some of the important people who have a major role in our society. Or basically, we can say who help us, right? So, first, I will be talking about the main role of a doctor. So, a doctor's main role is to maintain and improve the safety and quality of patient care. Yes, so the main role of a doctor is to take caring of his or her patient, right? And who is this? Yes, she is a teacher, right? So, a teacher role is to deliver classroom instruction which helps students learn. So, the main role of a teacher is to teach you, right? To teach you. And here's a policeman, right? So, the main role of a policeman or a police is to keeping the peace, law enforcement, protection of people and property, and the investigation of crimes. Yes, so these are the main role of a police. So the first one is keeping the peace, law enforcement, and also to protect the people in the society and as well as their property, and also to investigate the crimes. So let's summarize today's teleclass lesson. So today you have learned about the definition of roles and responsibilities, right? And then you have learned some of the roles and responsibilities in different places, such as the role in your home, the role you as a student in a school, and the role you as a civil person in a society, right? And also you have learned some of the important peoples who help us in our community, right? We have learned about their roles. Students, now this is your activity time. Hope you all are ready for it. So here is the task of the day. So today's task is you are going to write any three responsibilities of yours in each of the following, right? Which are you have to write any three responsibilities at home Also any three responsibility as a student at school, and also you have to write any three responsibility which you have to do as a person in a society. So this is your task of the day, and you will be doing this work in your thematic notebook, right? Students, please keep in your mind you should write your name and date. Also, you have to write neat and clean. Your writing should be neat and clean. So, that's all for today's teleclass lesson. I hope you all enjoyed today's teleclass lesson for roles and responsibilities. Inshallah, I will see you soon in next week teleclass lesson. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and don't forget to wash your hands. Have a good day. Wassalamu alaikum.
DPS TeleClass